Check this out, a football-themed pen holder that actually scores on your desk setup. Does your desk look terrible lately? Then this pen holder is for you. The first print was made without support, and the result at the holes didn't look very good. The black parts probably won't fit in well either. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. So here's the one with the supports. The holes look better now. Here are the black parts. Glue was used to keep them in the holes. Let's place them all around to finish this football. Perfect for football fans, gamers, students, or honestly, anyone trying to keep their desk under control. It's practical, looks great on any setup, and adds just the right amount of football energy to your workspace. Whether it's for your office, gaming desk, bedroom, or as a gift for a football fan, this desk accessory definitely scores. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.